Intro hook. Have you ever found yourself staring at your Gemini account, wondering how to turn those foreign funds into your local currency? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Gemini currency conversion and make sure you're equipped with the knowledge to effortlessly swap your assets. Why currency conversion matters. Let's face it, having your funds in your preferred currency just feels right. Whether you're planning a trip abroad, settling bills, or simply want to keep things organized, currency conversion is a crucial skill for any Gemini user. Understanding Gemini's currency options. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of conversion, let's take a quick look at the currencies Gemini supports. From the familiar US dollar to more exotic options, Gemini has you covered. The conversion process, step by step. Now, let's get down to business. How do you actually convert your currency on Gemini? Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your account. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Gemini account. Navigate to your wallet. Once you're logged in, head over to your wallet section. Select the currency you want to convert. Choose the currency you want to convert from the list of available options. Enter the amount. Specify how much of the currency you want to convert. Choose your target currency. Select the currency you want to convert your funds to. Confirm and convert. Review the details of your conversion and click the Convert button. Common conversion pitfalls and how to avoid them. While the conversion process itself is relatively straightforward, there are a few common pitfalls that you should be aware of. Let's discuss some of these potential issues and how to avoid them. Conversion fees. Gemini charges a fee for currency conversions. It's important to understand the fee structure so you can factor it into your calculations. Exchange rates. Exchange rates can fluctuate, so it's always a good idea to check the current rate before making a conversion. Minimum conversion amounts. Some currencies may have minimum conversion amounts. Make sure you're aware of these requirements. Tips for maximizing your conversion. Time your conversions wisely. Exchange rates can fluctuate throughout the day. If you're patient, you may be able to find a favorable rate. Consider using a limit order. A limit order allows you to set a specific exchange rate at which you're willing to convert your funds. This can help you avoid unfavorable rates. Be mindful of conversion fees. While Gemini's fees are generally competitive, it's still worth comparing rates with other platforms. Real-world examples. To make things even clearer, let's walk through a few real-world examples of currency conversion on Gemini. We'll cover scenarios like converting US dollars to euros, converting British pounds to Japanese yen, and more. Conclusion. Currency conversion on Gemini is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you manage your finances more effectively. By understanding the process, avoiding common pitfalls, and following our tips, you can confidently convert your funds and make the most of your Gemini experience. Call to action. So, what are you waiting for? Log into your Gemini account and start exploring the world of currency conversion. Remember, knowledge is power, and with the information you've learned today, you're well on your way to becoming a currency conversion pro. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy trading.